Now, Legal Briefs with Bree, featuring attorneys from the Higgins Firm with answers and advice for your legal matters.
Today's topic on the brief, we are discussing the False Claims Act. Here to bring us up to speed about this and tell us a little bit more is attorney Jim Higgins from the Higgins Law Firm. Always great to have you here.
Thanks.
Talk with us and tell our viewers, kind of just help us explain what this False Claims Act is and what's been going on where the government's been involved.
Sure. Well, it's been around for a long time, and people call it a whistleblower or key tam. It's called all sorts of different things. It's been around since the Civil War, and basically it is one of the original reward programs, and our government has a law set up that says if somebody's ripping us off, right, and that's when it started the Civil War, is they were selling the government ammunition and things like that and not really providing it, then if you report that to the government, if they get that money back, then you can get up to 25% of what they recover. It's that incentive there for doing your good deed. And I think last year they paid out about $300 million in false claim cases, and we just finished a big case in actual Middle Tennessee where it was a construction company that was billing the government for a lot of things that they weren't doing. We had a good Samaritan came in, reported, and that case ended up in a judgment about $6 million, and they're going to get a big portion of that.
Sure. Well, I can be a little bit intimidating if you're an employee at a place where you think this might be going on. So what are the steps that you need to do? I guess, obviously, contacting an attorney is always a good thing. What kind of things do you need to bring to that initial meeting?
Contact an attorney. Be quiet about it. The important thing about key tam cases, the first person to do it is the one who gets it. If you tell somebody and they go do it, you're out. But you also want to know where you stand just to protect your job. And when they contact us, it's confidential, and we'll tell them if they have a claim, if they don't, and what should be done.
Well, that's some great information. If you would like to contact the Higgins Law Firm, you may do so by looking at the information that is on your screen.